Hello and welcome to Lesson 3 in my JavaScript training course. In this lesson, I will show you how to use if statements and if-else statements. If statements help your computer to make a decision. If the conditions are true, the code will run, and if the conditions are not true, the code will either not run, or if you have used an if-else statement, something else will run, another statement you have written. So I will show you how to use the if statement. So first off, we need to create two variables as such. I made two variables, one called apples is equal to 10 and another one variables oranges is equal to 15. These two values are not equal, so if we have our if statement as apples are equal to oranges, the code won't run because apples and oranges are not equal, so this here is false, so nothing will run, and I will show you. Run launching Chrome. Nothing ran because it's not true. But if we change our value to 10 and save it and run it, apples are equal to oranges, so it's true. So the code was able to run. So I'll go through this again. We made two variables, gave them two values, and if these two variables are equal, as in the condition here, apples is equal to oranges, which is all contained in this if. This here is the if part. Apples is equal to oranges. The code in here runs, and it's just a normal document.write. If. It's very important that we have curly brackets here, otherwise the code will not run. It has to, all the code must be contained in the curly brackets, but there's a semicolon here at the end. So it's equal to, and it all runs, and we'll run it again just to show. And launching Chrome, apples are equal to oranges. Very good. And now I will show you how to use an if-else statement. This time I've created two variables and called them coffee and tea. Coffee is equal to 24 and tea is equal to 9. And this time in our if statement, within our brackets here, we put in the condition we want to be followed. So here I have coffee, I've used is not equal to tea. So coffee, 24 and 9 are not equal, which means this is true, which means coffee is not equal to tea will run. So save, run, launching Chrome. Coffee is not equal to tea. But now with the else statement, we can make another statement that will appear if coffee and tea are equal without having changed the if statement. It just follows on that coffee, our answer to coffee here is false if these two values are the same, so else will run. Document.write. Coffee is equal to tea. And this will only run if these two values are the same. So if we change 24 to 9, coffee is equal to tea will now run. So we save it, run, launching Chrome. Coffee is equal to tea ran, which means our condition here was false because it was not equal, which means it was equal, which means it was else ran, and we have document.write. And that's how you use an if-else statement. Thank you for watching Lesson 3, and now hopefully you understand how to use if statements and if-else statements.